Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove background noises from audio clips. Whether you are a YouTuber or doing podcast, it is really essential to remove background noises. So before getting into the tutorial, let me show you my original audio clip with the background noise.
This is a sample audio clip. I have a background noise of fan. I had added a little gap so that I can show you the noise levels.
So now let's remove its noise levels. Firstly, visit podcast.adobe.com. You can even Google it or you can access it directly by URL. Then afterwards, you will need to first sign in before using their services. As I had already signed up, you can sign in by using your email account. It is really easy to use. So here is our homepage. We will be using enhanced speech feature for this purpose. It will not only remove the background noises but also it balances our audio clips. Click on this button, go to enhance speech. Here you need to select your audio file. So then you need to wait for few minutes or few seconds depending upon your audio duration. So our audio has been processed. Let's download it. Click on this download button. Let's wait for the download to get finished. This is a sample audio clip. I have a background noise of fan. I had added a little gap so that I can show you the noise levels. As you can see, it not only removed our background noises but also it enhances our speech. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you like it.